We're studying our GCSE chemistry and we're starting metals 1. Now this chapter is all about, let's look at the syllabus right here. Yep. The syllabus on metals is all about what are metals, how they react, what are the properties of metals, and all of that. Okay. How do we get metals? We'll look at that. Neha, start from here. Read.
Yeah. Compare the general physics properties of metals and nonmetals, including thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, malleability and ductility, melting point and boiling points. And the second one
Okay.
is describe the general chemical properties of metals limited to their reactions with dilute acids, cold water and steam, and oxygen.
Oxygen. Right. Now uses of metals, use of aluminium, use of copper. You need to know all of this. Where will we use brass? Where will we use different alloys? So we have uses of metals, properties of metals, and then we have alloys and their properties. What are alloys? How are they made? All of that. Now, Neha, read this part.
Yeah, just a second. Describe an alloy as a mixture of a metal with other elements, including brass as a mixture of copper and zinc, stainless steel as a mixture of iron and other elements such as chromium, nickel, and carbon.
Carbon. Now, okay. Anas, read from here.
Okay, state the alloys can be harder and stronger than the pure metals and are more useful. Describe the uses of alloys in terms of their physical properties, including stainless steel in cutlery, cutlery because of its hardness and resistance to rusting. Identify the
Stop. Now we have reactivity series. We look at that. We look at corrosion of metals. We look at extraction of metals, and that's done. In extraction, we have iron and aluminium, and yep, that's it. We'll also look at zinc, but I don't think that's in this chapter. We'll start from the beginning. Metals. Get your notebooks ready. Notebooks ready?
No, so 1 second.
yeah, once again. Ready.
Ready. All right. All right. Just a second. Just a second. Now I've already created some notes for you, and we'll look at that. So we'll finish the chapter sooner. Just give me a second. I'm trying to open it. By the way, Neha, what are you guys studying in school?
Sir, like right now in school we have exams going on, and like our portion is done. So yeah.
Portion is done. All right. Are you doing past papers?
Yeah, we're doing past papers. Like before the exams, we did past papers.
Now, what I want you to do is
Yes,
get the
sir.
worksheets from the GCR, print them out before you solve them.
Um.
Print it. So you guys print past papers.
Yeah, we like print them and make a spiral bound of out of it.
So have you printed all the years? How many years have you printed?
Sir, so basically, it's like 4 sets and 3 papers in each set, and my teacher has sent me all of those sets to print it out. So yeah.
All right. Now, just like those, I want you to print out the worksheets in the GCR and
Well,
start
sir,
solving
one
them.
thing right now I won't be able to print because my printer is not working and there's no shop near my house. So yeah.
Then yeah, fine then. Don't print it. Store it in your mobile phone and in your computer, and do
Yeah.
whenever you have free time.
Yeah, right.
Because past papers are random questions which are not really going to help you. Uh, in the long run,
Okay.
you have to solve questions based on a specific chapter.
Chapter,
So you
yeah.
learn something. So you finish
Right.
things, right? Start taking things down. That's
Right.
why I opened the syllabus for you. Now, just a second. I'm trying to find your notes. All right, guys, can you see the book?
Yep.
Now, instead of starting metals, we'll actually start from chapter. Metal is the chapter after this. So we'll actually start periodic table direct.
Okay.
And I want you to read from me. Just a second, I'll record again.